Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're sharing our ideas for decorating transitional style interiors. Transitional interiors refer to an interior design style that combines elements of both traditional and modern styles. It seeks to strike a balance between the classic elegance of traditional design and the clean lines and simplicity of contemporary design to achieve a cohesive and harmonious space. Transitional homes feature a foundation of soft neutrals such as beige, grey, cream, tan, and shades of white and ivory, which provide a harmonious and soothing atmosphere. These are complemented by calming blues, greens and browns. For a streamlined and minimal aesthetic, consider a monochromatic colour palette. A monochromatic colour scheme encompasses all the varieties of a single hue, including the tints, shades and tones, ranging between lighter and darker versions of the base colour. Bolder pops of colour can also be incorporated strategically through artwork, floral arrangements and select decorative accents. For lustre, include warm-toned metals of unlacquered brass, bronze, antique silver, matte black or antique gold. The most important aspect when it comes to mastering the transitional colour palette is to look for a common thread to carry within and between rooms. An example would be choosing 3 to 5 items within the same colour scheme, such as an off-white boucle armchair, a chalky white abstract artwork, and a warm travertine decorative bowl or tray. Transitional architecture avoids the ornate detailing of traditional styles, instead opting for a streamlined appearance. Transitional exteriors showcase balanced proportions, clean lines, and the facade features a combination of stone, brick, wood and metal. Interiors often feature pared-back architectural details such as crown mouldings, baseboards, window casings, and a minimalist approach to mouldings to add a touch of sophistication without overwhelming the space. Lastly, transitional homes favour open and flexible floor plans that promote a sense of flow and connectivity. Transitional style flooring consists of warm and light hardwood flooring in straight or herringbone designs. natural stone tiles, and glossy ceramic tiles. These can be softened with beautiful vintage-style wool rugs and runners, tone-on-tone rugs featuring geometric prints, and textural jute and sisal area rugs for added texture and an organic feel. Transitional lighting fixtures can range from classic French or Victorian-style chandeliers to modern table lamps and swing-arm sconces. Layer a variety of ambient, accents and task light sources that feature a combination of traditional and contemporary elements, such as a classic shape with a modern finish or a contemporary design with traditional detailing. Other ideas include metal or cylindrical fabric pendants, a tiered or round metal chandelier, sleek lamp bases made from metal, wood, marble or acrylic, oversized and curvaceous ceramic table lamps, a mix of contemporary and vintage-style wall sconces crafted from warm metals. Transitional window treatments can range from relaxed linen drapes to plush velvet curtains. Streamlined fabric Roman blinds, solar or roller shades, lightweight shears and unfussy wooden internal shutters. Transitional homes are known to combine furniture pieces from different eras and styles. For example, you'll find a modern occasional chair paired with a more traditional coffee table. This also applies to the shape of your furniture, pairing linear and streamlined pieces with a few items that bring in softer curves like a circular coffee table or side table. Other key furniture pieces include plush sofas, bedheads, ottomans, dining chairs and occasional chairs upholstered in linen, velvet, boucle, chenille, leather or other quality materials. Furniture placement tends to be balanced and symmetrical, creating a sense of order throughout the home. Lastly, occasional tables such as end tables, hall tables or console tables often feature interesting textures or materials, such as a combination of wood and glass or metal and stone. Transitional textures are tonal and tactile, favouring a combination of materials such as light wood, metal, glass and stone to add depth and interest to the space. Soft furnishings prioritise texture over pattern, however cushions and blankets may still feature subtle prints, such as a geometric, herringbone or botanical design to add a visual intrigue without overwhelming the space. Popular textures include nubby chenille, cashmere or wool throws, and quality linen of silk, velvet or crisp cotton cushions, blankets and bedding. Textural or neutral wallpaper is a brilliant way to add visual interest, pattern and dimension to otherwise plain white walls. Artwork is used sparingly and is positioned intentionally to make a statement. For example, you'll often find one or two large pieces of art instead of a collage of multiple smaller pieces. Alternatively, a streamlined series of art prints would also be appropriate. Ideas include framed abstract art and modern acrylic canvas art showcasing bold pops of colour. Transitional style mirrors are often large, including full-length, round, sunburst, grid style and curved designs. Transitional spaces place emphasis on elegance and a pared-back approach to decor. Some ideas include a simple nickel photo frame, a potted orchid, a marble or rattan tray and decorative box, a glass or glossy ceramic vase, a stylish catch-all bowl, lustrous candle holders and curated coffee table books, among others. It's also a great opportunity to display your curated collections within display cabinets, on sideboards or coffee tables. Lastly, infuse colour, vitality and freshness into the home with greenery such as potted olive trees, snake plants, ficus, fiddle-leaf figs, ruscus and eucalyptus leaves. You'll also find tall-reaching branches, blossoms, potted orchids and a few simple seasonal floral stems in a vase. Thank you so much for watching. We trust you feel inspired to incorporate some of these transitional style design tips into your home. Please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.